Voices beyond silence. AI restores paralyzed woman's voice. Imagine a world where losing your ability to speak doesn't mean silence. Today, we dive into a breakthrough from the brilliant minds at UC San Francisco and UC Berkeley. They've developed an innovative brain-computer interface, or BCI for short, and this isn't just any BCI. It's one that's enabled a paralyzed woman to not only speak, but to convey her emotions, all through a digital avatar. For the first time, we're seeing the synthesis of both speech and facial expressions, right from brain signals. The technology transforms thoughts directly into words and emotions without moving a muscle at a staggering 80 words per minute. Instead of the system trying to understand entire words from the brain signals, it deciphers phonemes. Phonemes are to speech what letters are to written words. It's like breaking down the word, hello, into its core sounds. H, ah, l, ow. With just 39 phonemes, it can comprehend any word in the English language. This resulted in a system that's more accurate and 3 times as fast. And the woman's digital avatar? It doesn't emit a robotic tone. The researchers personalized it, modeling the voice on a recording of her from a cherished memory, her wedding day. The facial animations, too, were no less personalized. They integrated software that could interpret brain signals, replicating facial movements from a simple smile to expressions of surprise or sadness. This technology promises a world where paralysis can't rob someone of their voice, or their emotions. The research team is already looking ahead, aiming for a wireless version that doesn't tether the user to the BCI. This technology gives voiceless individuals the freedom of independent communication and deeper social interactions. This is a leap towards restoring a full, embodied way of communicating, taking us much closer to making it a real solution for countless patients worldwide. So, here we are, standing on the precipice of a new era, where science and technology come together to unlock voices and ensure that everyone has a chance to be heard. Remember to like and subscribe for more neuroscience news updates.